there it is. Clickety clack. It should be just the passenger side CV shaft. So like I said earlier, we're going to be replacing the passenger side CV shaft for my buddy here. Just try to help him out. And right now I'm just going to get all set up, get the wheel off, get everything in place, my safety stands, get everything. Got to work safe, right? So right now, the top bolt of the suspension is a, can't think of the name of it right now, the camber bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some scratch marks in it in 2 points. So that way there, when I go to put everything back together, I can make sure that the camber is in the exact same location as it once was. I'm a really crappy friend. I just sent him to go get parts or tools that I have forgotten yet again. Anyways, so I'm going to try to loosen these bolts off here, because once I get these bolts off and then this off, I literally just flop this whole assembly forward and the CV shaft just pops right out. It's actually a super simple, easy job. I forgot to record it, but I got the axle nut off. No problem with the air gun and the proper size socket. See how this bolt, it's weird, eh? It makes sure to keep everything in alignment. That's why I made marks there, so when I put it back together, I know where I put it. Ooh. And as you can see, with this bolt, it's just a regular bolt. So I say I got the dry side removed. Not bad. Feels pretty good. So here we go. Does sound kinda. It's got some looseness to it. Okay. Let's put this guy in. It's pretty good. Bingo, bingo. These are good. Anti-seize on there. Hopefully, we're not going to have to replace this for quite some time. However, the anti-seize, I'll put the slide on there. Okay, with everything back in the car now, just got to make sure to torque everything to the proper torque specs. So we'll start with these here.
Got grease on my hands, dirt on my shirt, and got a big name shop, but I know my worth. Stone floor garage, that's where I stay, helping folks out in my own kind of way.
We'll knock this in. I'll lock it in place. Perfect.
It's not about money, it's not about fame, just fixing what's broken, calling your name. Every boat has a story.
Let's get that wheel on. Get this job done. Take it for a test drive. Make sure everything's good.
Built on honesty. Built on honesty.
Actually, 1 second. I wanted to check something. Because when I was putting it in, I may have pushed the dust shield up against the rotor. I don't want to have any extra noises. Let's just double check.
Your engine's whining, you're only changing. I'll take a look if it feels just right. A wrench in my hand and a dream in my heart. We'll fix it together, let's tear it apart. No suit, no tie, just a rag and a grin. Pop that hood, let the work begin.
Now, my buddy, you can drive with peace of mind. Okay. Bye.
Driven by purpose. If you need a hand, you know where to surface. Don't need an email, let's figure it out. Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about, yeah.
Look at that. And that's it. Job well done. Thanks for tuning in to Stone Floor Garage. See you guys on the next one.
Built on honesty, driven by purpose. If you need a hand, you know where to surface. Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about.